What are you doing? Be nice to the buddy. Hey. Be nice. Bud wants to play with you. Yeah, give him a lick. Just be nice. There you go. Buddy, don't be biting. Don't bite the Frank. Hey, get over there. Be nice to Buddy. Don't eat him either. Hey, don't be so rough. There you go. He's calling you. He's saying, pup, pup, Frank. There you go. Play nice, play nice. There you go. Hey, no. What are you... Oh, you're crying, huh? Hey, don't be flipping him around now. Be nice to him. He wants to play with you. Yeah. Oh, you want to lick him, huh? There, it's good, buddy. There you go. Nice. Ah, he's laughing at you. He's laughing at you. Frankie's a silly dog. Fluff up there, bud. Show everybody how you fluff up and get big and fat. Look like a turkey. Show everybody. Wow, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Hold on now. You got him buried under the rug. No fair now. Come on, out of the rug. Where is he? There he is. He's coming. There he goes. He's ready to play some more. No nipping now. Woohoo! Hey, cut it out. Not too fast. Where are you going? Where are you going? Frankie wants to, or Buddy wants to eat some of your dog food. Yeah, wants to eat the dog food. Well, you checking to see if she's eating some? Here. Yoo-hoo! All right, there we go. All right. Well, you're getting all fluffy now. You want to play some more? He says, yeah. Look at him. He's getting bigger. Makes him look like a hawk. Come on. Oh, there he's spreading. Look at him. All right. Come on. Let's go. You had enough fun, bud? You want to go back? Huh? You want to play some more? All righty.